Hello and welcome to everyone to the channel Learn with Learners. Please like and subscribe this channel and also share the videos. So let's recap what we have studied in the previous video. In previous video we have studied about the GS paper 2 UPSC. Under GS paper 2 we have categorized the GS paper 2 into the three parts. First one is the Indian polity. Second, governance, and third one is the IR, that is referred as simply international relation. And after that we have learned that under Indian polity we have further categorized into the three parts. First one is the Indian Constitution. Second one is the laws passed by the different governments, and third, notification issued by the government from time to time. Under GS paper 2 we have to study nothing more and nothing less. First, Indian polity, governance and IR. Under Indian polity, Indian Constitution, laws and notification issued by the government from time to time. As I have already told you that Constitution is nothing but it is the supreme law of land. What is Constitution? Constitution is defines as it is the supreme law of land. What means? It is the supreme law of land. Means it is supreme. It is supreme. It is at top, means no one is above the constitution. Even the parliament makes any laws, and if that laws go against the constitution, then that laws will be declared null and void. Means no one is above the constitution. So we can say, and we have also learned that at top there is the constitution. At top there is the constitution, then laws passed by the parliament, and then notification. What does it mean? It means that if the government is issuing the any notification, this means that the government must issue such type of the notification which does not go against the laws. Means the notification does not violate the any provision of the any laws. And if the government, suppose if the Modi government is going to make a law, then the Modi government cannot make the laws which is not in agreement with the constitution. The government have to always makes those type of the laws which are in agreement with the constitution. So till now we have studied about this, and after that we have studied that an example. And what was the example? Example was the 66A, section 66A of IT Act 2000. What was the provision in the section 66A of the IT Act 2000? There was the provision that if an individual using what? Electronic devices like laptops, like mobile phones, if he or she transmit the messages to somebody, if he or she transmit the message to the somebody, and if that message cause annoyance to receiver, then receiver can file the case against you, and police will come to your house and you will be arrested and put into the jail for how many terms? 3 years. And as per this law, one man from the Puducherry, as per this law, one man from the Puducherry there was a man from Pondicherry, and once he write on his Twitter channel that a man is very rich, or has mass wealth, has mass wealth, because his father is minister in central government. That man indirectly referring this message to the Kartik Chidambaram. The Puducherry man was referring indirectly to the Kartik Chidambaram, whose father was P. Chidambaram, and the P. Chidambaram was finance minister in central government. So the Puducherry man was referring this to the Kartik Chidambaram, and this message caused annoyance to the Kartik Chidambaram. Kartik Chidambaram filed the case, and Puducherry man was arrested. Puducherry man was arrested and put into the jail for 3 years. And now think what kind of the laws has been passed by the Indian Parliament. One lady approaches Supreme Court and she asks a fundamental question to the Supreme Court that dear Supreme Court, section 66A of the IT Act 2000 is not violating the fundamental right, that is freedom of speech and expression. Then the Supreme Court says how it is violating the fundamental right. Then the lady tells that dear Supreme Court, freedom of speech and expression means we can express our ideas and views. Means freedom of speech means what? Speak what you want to speak, express what you want to express. You can express your ideas and views either through the electronic media, either through the pen paper method. Like if you can express your ideas about the anyone either through pen paper method or through the any digital platform. So here the Puducherry man, what he does, he uses the electronic platform, that is the Twitter handle, and he transmitted the messages. So he was expressing the ideas about the Kartik Chidambaram, whose father was the P. Chidambaram, who was a finance minister in the central government. So what he does wrong? It is the right, the constitution, our constitution provides the right to the that individual, that you can express your ideas and views. Then what he does wrong? Then the Supreme Court tells, yeah, you are right. Supreme Court tells that you are right, and instantly the section 66A of the IT Act 2000 was deleted from the chapter of Indian Constitution. And so what we have studied? We have studied that here section 66A of the IT Act was deleted. Why it was deleted? Because it was the laws passed by the parliament. It was the laws passed by the parliament. How it could be deleted? Means it could be deleted means it is not the supreme, as we have learned at hierarchical level, that at top there is the constitution, then laws passed by the parliament, then notification. So IT Act was what? Laws, and it was against the constitution. That's why it is declared null and void, or we can simply that it was simply deleted from the chapter of constitution. So what we have studied that constitution is nothing but it is the supreme, it is at top in the hierarchical level of the constitution, laws and the notification. After that, one other beautiful definition of the constitution is that constitution contains people's faith and aspiration. People's faith and aspiration. What does it means? Here, people's faith and aspiration refers to equality, justice, liberty, and so many others. So, in simple, we can say that what is constitution? Constitution is nothing but it contains people's faith and aspiration. What does it means? It means that what is the people's faith? What does the people wants? Generally, the people wants that there should be the equality in the society. There should be the equality in the society. This is the aspiration. This is the faith of the constitution. What the people demands from the country? The people's demand from the country that or the constitution that there should be the equality in the society. There should be eradication of inequality in the society. There should be the justice. There should be the economic justice, social justice, or the so many other kinds of the justice. There we should have the freedom. We should have the liberty. Like we should have the freedom of speech and expression. Means speak what you want to speak. All these things are the people's faith. Means what the people wants. The wants of the people is mentioned in where? Constitution. Or constitution is nothing but it is only for the satisfying the people's faith and aspiration. So the constitution, another definition is that it contains the people's faith and aspiration. What does it means? It means that constitution promotes the, or in simple we can say that the constitution satisfy the faith aspiration of the peoples. What the people wants, the constitution make them available to the people. So we have a study what is the constitution, and now we will cover